Hey everyone, FusedVR coming at ya. A few months back, I put this video together on kind of my thoughts and vision of how all of these technologies are going to merge together. Web3, remote rendering, and webxr. And after talking with so many of you over on Discord, which FYI, if you're not part of Discord, highly encourage you to do so. It's probably the fastest way to get a hold of me. The more I've thought about how these technologies merge and fuse together, I really wanted to capture that as part of the channel. And I figured now might be as good a time as ever to go ahead and update the logo. So here it is in its full glory. I had Abdo build it out and I really like it. I think it really encapsulates that fusion concept combined with all of those three pillars and how I really kind of think that they'll all merge together. And to really make sure that that kind of sits here within the room and within the sets of videos, I actually went ahead and created a custom display. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up right now. In case it wasn't obvious by my videos and the art here, I'm kind of a big fan of display. And I think it came out pretty nicely. It's a custom display that I wanted to put together to really kind of drill that in. But yeah, it's like Web 3.0 bridges the metaverse. And you could also read it in reverse too, right? The metaverse also bridges Web 3.0. And you really need kind of all of this technology sitting together, working interoperably. Yes, there are challenges when it comes to how that works and how we have to enable ownership and enable bringing assets within different environments. But I think it's something that long-term could be really valuable, right? If you're thinking about the metaverse, if you're thinking about Web 3.0, something just even as simple as I have an avatar that I want to bring across worlds. I think 100% needs to be supported really in the long term. I think it's very hard in the short term, but long term, that's the vision, and making sure it's decentralized and trustless to some degree, that we're not begging and pleading to the corporate overlords, if you will. I think this to me symbolizes that, which I'm pretty excited about. I'm gonna keep this within the room just as a reminder of this concept. And if you're interested in this, let me know down in the comments below. I can probably print a few more of these and get them sent out. But yeah, that's really kind of all I wanted to share. I just wanted to capture that visually. I think it's pretty important. It actually kind of looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there for now. But I did want it to be part of the room, part of the content moving forward. And I wanted to really have a symbol that represented those three core pillars, all kind of swirling in together in a seamless fashion, which is what I think needs to happen, right? If we really kind of want a trustless, decentralized, ownership-driven metaverse, right? Yes, that is extremely buzzwordy, and I'm the first person that will admit that I hate buzzwords, but I do think it serves a purpose in this case to actually explain the vision, right? And I think that's important. That's it. That's really all I wanted to say. Let me know if you're interested in that. I might create some NFTs just as a means to sell them and ship them out. But I'd just be curious to know if that would be helpful as a reminder to anyone. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Thanks so much for watching, and look forward to some kind of interesting content coming down in the next couple of weeks. Just more around the APIs and some of the learnings that I got from working with them. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. This has been FusedVR, and I'm signing out.